Hello, are you in the metal fabrication industry? Are you looking for a solution that has core financials, inventory, material requirements planning, and customer relationship management? Do you want to be able to track job costing, as well as report on work in progress and manage the shop floor? SAP Business One might be a good solution for you. I'm currently in an SAP Business One in the home cockpit, and you can see from a distribution aspect, here's my sales cycle, but I also have purchasing capabilities, production capabilities, materials requirement planning, etc. SAP Business One is a GAAP compliant system, meaning that everything must be linked to a general ledger account for auditing purposes. And so when I do my, for example, if I pull up a accounts receivable invoice that is linked to multiple documents, and run that journal entry, you can see it's tracking the cost of good movement. And this is for all documents within the system. And I can view that general ledger account information and all the accounting information here. If I go into my item master data here, for example, this contains a bill of materials, but I can go into my item master data and see from the inventory data all warehouse information, what's in stock, what's committed, what's ordered and available from an item management. Your warehouse can be your location, so if this is going to be India product, US product, China product, etc., you can set that information in the warehouse details here of where the actual location is and track that by country. From a distribution perspective, we do have a warehouse management solution that is called Luxoto. This is a Navigator product that is uh, a direct integration to SAP Business One. I'll show you the warehouse management solution here. It's a task-based solution, so if I click on task, you can see all the different tasks from receive tasks to directed putaways, as well as being able to pick, pack, and ship your product, and bin-to-bin transfers and cycle counting from a task-based solution to assign operators to go out and fulfill those in your warehouse. You can see my inbound and outbound processes, as well as I can view all item information and click on my item here. That is going to pull all item information from SAP Business One into a nice ledger of what's in stock, what's ordered, what's committed, and where the product is in its unit of measure. And you can see everything here that is pulling from the item level. If I were to click on a specific item, such as my 95 mask here, I can view the item information in the overall item content, as well as having inventory unit of measure conversions, characteristics, being able to set default bins and replenishments, have an inventory overview of where the item is in different bins and locations, as well as a ledger of who did what and when. If you have any questions about Luxoto or SAP Business One, please feel free to reach out to Navigator Business Solutions, and we'd be happy to assist you with any questions that you have. Thank you.